In my new book, Baby Tea Time, Baby Juju's mom make tea eggs for Juju's tea party. Tea eggs or 茶叶蛋 are a popular snack I grew up eating in Taiwan. Here is how to make it easily at home in an Instant Pot. First, rinse the eggs to prevent salmonella contamination. In the inner pot, add a rack and 1 cup of water. Place your eggs on the rack, place the inner pot into the base, close the lid, and set manually for 4 minutes. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of black tea leaves into a disposable tea filter pouch. Prepare an ice bath for the eggs. Once the Instant Pot timer goes off, let it sit for 5 minutes. Then remove the eggs and place them in the ice bath. In a clean inner pot, add 2 cups of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 bag of Chinese braising spice pouch, and the black tea bag we made earlier. Then top with 3 more cups of water. Tap the eggs gently with a metal spoon to create spider web cracks. Place the cracked eggs into the brine. Use a steaming cloth or paper towel. Cover the top of the eggs. This will help keep the eggs submerged and will help flavor the eggs evenly in the brine. Place the inner pot into the base and set on manual for 10 minutes. Once the timer goes off, we are going to just leave it alone and let the eggs soak overnight in the braising brine. The next day, remove the eggs from the pot and gently peel the shells off. I hope you enjoy these simple and delicious Taiwanese tea eggs.